the other side. I'm in the west coast, right? Yeah, I'm in the west coast. So hope the weather's behaving, and yeah, we get to go up there, have breakfast, and yeah, just go about our day in the mother city. So now we've just parked our car and we are walking to where the aerial cables are. Look at the view. Beautiful. But it doesn't make sense that there isn't parking over there, does it? Because now we have to park here and walk over there. That's so crazy. But anyways, we are here. A beautiful, breathtaking view. I really love this bag, but I'm not sure which to take. Is that, where's the little mountain?
Oh dear.
On the other side. Good morning, guys. So today is the day. We are here doing quad biking at Atlantis dunes. PS, it's actually 2,000 rand right here if you buy your tickets right here. But if you get it on Hyperly, you get it for 1,200. So which is a bargain. So yeah, today is Friday and we're going on the Atlantis shoots. This is nice. And we ready. I know you love speed. I also I think you're taking pictures. Because I saw you behind them like this is not my man. This is driving I don't know what at what speed. So we all done. Oh my gosh, it was amazing. What an experience. Will I do it again? Yes, of course. I'll do it again and again and again. It was so amazing, guys. Like an hour just felt so short because now it's all over. Now we're just gonna grab something to eat at a nearby restaurant. Just want to chill with the beach view and grab something to eat, and then yeah, because it's our last day in the Cape, in the West Coast. Tomorrow is home time, guys. We're gonna drive back, so I have to make the most out of today. Bye. Morning. So today is checkout time. What a holiday, what a vacation. Absolutely enjoyed it. So we're driving out, we're leaving Port de Norte, the West Coast,